Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I'm going to work on an art journal page. This is in my Dilutions journal. It's getting closer to being done. I'm getting excited. I still have like 10 or 15 pages to do, but getting closer. Using my Dina Wakley gloss sprays. This is, obviously I'm like trying to open that package. This is when I first got them. This was my first thing. So the pump's not primed. Splatters a bit, but it was really fun. I've been watching Dina's daily videos on Facebook, and now they're up on YouTube. She's not doing them daily anymore, but they've been so inspiring to watch and see how she creates. I just love it. So I am gonna leave some white space because she talks all about leaving white space. And watching her play with her gloss sprays, I just wanted to get them out and just have some play with them. So, I do stuff here and I don't like it. But this one is my very first page using her sprays. So, somebody should cut me a little slack. This is a non-gessoed page. And so, of course, it absorbs in, so you get what you get, and you don't pitch a fit. Anyway, I'm just going to play around with them, and I hope you enjoy watching. So I added that white, hoping it would help with the background, and now I'm going to come up with a focal image. I have stamped some of her, I guess they're Scribble Girls. I don't know which one that is. I didn't look at the name of the set. And decide what I want to put on there as a focal image. And I mess around with two of these trying to decide back and forth. You'll see. In the end, I decided to go with the dark one because the white one would kind of blend into the background and disappear, and since my background's so busy, it we wanted one that would stand out. So I added some words. It says in the right place. Just thought it kind of worked. And I go around and emphasize the girl a little bit more to hopefully have her pop out a little bit. I actually think I go for the white gloss spray here and lighten one side of her so that she stands out a little bit more. Add a few sprinkles and it's about done. So I hope you liked that. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you'd like to see more from me and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.